Ni birigiceni iria irathie na mbere gutafanio ni maobithaa Borithi nyumba-ini kwa mwonjoria wigatu Jimmy Wanjigi. Umwe makihithukia Micinga mugwanja umwe wayo ari iria uhuthagirwo ni mbiraru uikaine ta M4 Carbine na oho mahithukia rithathi 600 mucii uria ari mwena wa Muthaiga. Birigiceni ino ikiingira thiko ya keri muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa mucii umwe uri urerikana ni wa Wanjigi kuhitukirwo muthenya wa ira mwena wa Malindi kuria Micinga 5 na 93 irakorirwo ikihithukio.
The petitions would know what the
maya magithiaga na mbere igoti ni riathire ruhonge rwa Borithi matigaikie Wanjigi ngono kana guthukangia indo ciake hindi ya birigiceni iyo thutha wa Wanjigi na mutumia wake kwandikithia cira igoti-ini kuhitukira wakiri James Orengo.
And I admit the first petitioner to anticipatory bail of Kenya shillings 50,000 in cash. And further, that he shall not be threatened or arrested or in any other manner threatened with arrest until 19th of October 2017 at 11 a.m. when the matter shall come up for further directions.
Magiria mawakiri James Orengo kuingira mucii kwa Wanjigi maringa ihiga thutha wake kugirio kuingira ni maobithaa aria moima murango-ini Orengo akiheana mukana wa kuroka igoti-ini watho ucio waga guthingatithio.
The police, the Inspector General and the Director of Public Prosecution are prohibited, prevented and restrained from further trespassing because according to us and in our application, this is an act of trespass, breaking into, entering or in any way interfering with the private residence of Mr. Wanjigi.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari kuhitukira mwaria wa Borithi Eric Kiraithe ni yugite Wanjigi ni mwikuirwo na uguo no nginya akorwo agiethanwo nake na guikio ngono.
It doesn't mean about any political party. It only means that we have a nefarious criminal in our midst who has now been uncovered.
Birigiceni yo muthenya wa umuthi gitambio nginya wa vicini ya keri ari mwena wa Westlands frafraini ya General Mathenge na mukawa-ini wa Caramel uri Westlands nyumba-ini ya ABC Place. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Maina Kihumo.